everyone, I'm Julian Cano. I will be your tour guide for today. Have you heard about Monte Cueva de la Virgen Shrine? Well, that's where we are going to. We will now witness the beauty of that shrine. But before we go there, we have first to climb up the zigzagging stairway for more than 300 steps. Here we are in Monte Cueva Shrine.
Sa istorya po diha. Here this da. Istorya po diha ba?
This small cave was developed by its original owners into a shrine with a quaint chapel. Over the years, this has become a site for pilgrims and devotees and has become one of Maasin's popular destinations. Come on, let's go inside.
Sige, kapakwa.
This is the inside of the cave. This is where the mass were held. This is where we put the candles. The small cave up here in the hills of Barangay Rizal has an elevation of 172 meters above sea level, overlooking Maasin City, the capital of Southern Leyte.